Good morning. This is cause number 2022-12014 in the interest of Zamora Joseph. Please unmute yourself, Miss Joseph. All right, raise your right hand to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Shanika Joseph, and I'm her mother.
All right, and representing the Attorney General, State of Texas?
Andrea Eoff.
All right, court will note that the non-custodial parents, Jomo Thompson. Mr. Thompson was personally served at 701 San Jacinto Street, Harris County Jail in Houston, Harris County, Texas. It appears that he filed an answer on April 1st, 2022. And so he was given further notice of this Zoom hearing by certified mail return receipt requested. That was delivered here in Harris County on September 3rd, 2022. And he has not checked in today. Is that correct, Ms. Eoff?
That is correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you. Before we begin, we'd like to ask that you take notice of the DNA test results that are in the court's file, showing that he cannot be excluded as the child's father.
Court will note that the DNA test report would indicate that the alleged father, Jomo Thompson, is not excluded as the biological father of his tested child, Zamora Joseph, the child subject to the suit.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, I'd like to call Shanika Joseph.
Okay.
All right, Miss Joseph, will you please state your full name for the record?
Shanika Marie Joseph.
And will you state the name and age of your child?
Zamora Leah Joseph. She's 1.
All right. And Mr. Thompson is the father of Zamora, is that correct?
Correct.
And are you asking the court to establish him as her legal father and establish the parent-child relationship between them today based on the positive DNA test results in this case?
Yes.
And Mr. Thompson is currently incarcerated he's in prison, is that right?
Yes.
And he was in jail at the time of her birth, is that right?
Yes.
So is it fair to say that he has been in either jail or prison her entire life?
Yes.
And it's true that he will be in prison until April of 2025, is that right?
Yes, unless they release him early, but yes.
All right. So are you asking the court to make you Zamora's sole managing conservator since her father does not know her and is not available to help co-parent with you?
Yes.
And are you asking that the court not order any visitation for him at this point in time, given his incarceration and lack of involvement?
Yes.
And you understand that when somebody is incarcerated for more than 90 days, they cannot be ordered to pay child support or medical support, correct?
Correct, yes.
So based on that, are you asking the court to order Mr. Thompson to pay $0 in child support beginning November 1st, 2022?
Yes.
And are you asking the court to order you to apply for and provide Medicaid for your child?
Yes.
And are you asking the court to order Mr. Thompson to pay $0 in medical support beginning November 1st, 2022?
Yes.
And you understand that because he was incarcerated when she was born and has not had any income during the time that she's been alive, then the court cannot make a judgment for retroactive support today, correct?
Correct, I understand.
Okay. And you are comfortable with Mr. Thompson having your address and phone number and having it in this order, correct?
Yes, correct.
All right. Do you believe that if the court were to enter an order that contains the terms we just talked about, that that would be in your child's best interest?
Yes.
All right. Thank you. I have no further questions and pass this witness, Your Honor.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. All parties are